Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to install Esign to install IPA files on iOS devices. No computer requirement. So what you can do for this one, first of course, open your Safari. If you have Google Chrome in here, it's perfectly fine as long as you're using an iOS device. Now once you're here, this is going to be the website you should be looking for. scarletinstall.bio.link. Now look for the one that says DNS for eSign. Should be this one right here. Alright? So once you install this one, let's just say you're finished or you're done installing it. You should go to settings right here. Go on the one that says general, just look for it. Should be this one right here. Alright? And then look on the bottom section that says VPN and device management. So what are we looking for here? Again, after installing the DNS server from earlier for eSign, you should be seeing it right here. Just successfully accept or authorize it on your iPhone or tablet, it will be successfully become an application. Now, after installing that one, once you're done with that, look for anything that you want to install here. For example, you want to install this one, the unable to install eSign. You want to install eSign XO. You want to install eSign Electric. This is going to be depending on your liking. So whatever you want to install here, of course, the certificate should be installed also. Just repeat the process. Go to settings after installing the IPA files, go to VPN, and then process is basically the same. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.